and a very warm welcome. And since today it's Holi, I've got something special for Holi. So let's see what is happening. There's a water gun. We are going to, shoot the balloons, and there will be a color splash. So let's begin. Okay, so yay, it's happy Holi. So in case you want to learn that how I have made this, see, my water gun is still moving, correct? So I'm going to explain you how can we make this beautiful Holi game or balloon shooting game. All right. So here we go. And in this, obviously, first we have to create some sprites. So the first sprite will be, you can say, water gun. All right, and maybe I'll take a sprite here and give the name again as water gun, and maybe I'm going to choose from here. So see, what I have done is I've gone here and I've already uploaded the pictures of my choice. So see, here I have all the pictures which I need. Okay, so I'll go here and I'm going to choose, say, Pichkari, and I'm going to run. Oh, so for showing it to you, I'll have to put draw sprites, and here it is. All right, so what are we going to do the next step? The next step will be we'll have to scale it up. Okay, so I have water gun dot scale, and how much it will be? It will be around 0.2. Okay, this looks nice, but we have to put it in the corner. So you can see, you can like, not like this, actually you can click on show grid, and maybe like you can decide where exactly you want to place it. All right, or even if you do like this, you'll get the clear picture. So I'm going to place this as 340 and another 340. Okay, so I have my water gun this side. All right, what is the next thing which I'm going to do? I'm going to create a balloon. So obviously for the first balloon, I'm going to write B1, and again I'm going to set the sprite, say B1 again, and I'm going to choose the balloon. And let's see this. All right, let me put this down so it's quite clear to you. Oh, here it is. Plus, what you can do is you can resize the balloon as well. So maybe you can write B1 and I'm going to say 0.3. All right, super. It looks nice. Plus, I want to give it, keep it somewhere here. So what, 60 and 60? Okay, this looks nice. So it is 60 and 60. That's my first balloon. Now I can copy the same thing. So what I'll do is I'll go to show text and I'm going to Control C and I'm going to paste it like this. Okay, but see why it is showing like this, because instead of B1, since you have to make another balloon, so let me take it B2. Here also let me take it B2. Here also let me take it B2, and definitely we need the different position, right? So that will be 250, sorry, 250 and 60. Okay, so you have two balloons, right? Okay. All right, now this is done. Now what we want? Now we want the water droplet. So going on the same lines, I'm going to go here, create the sprite, water. Can I give the name as W1? All right. And here also W1, I'm going to choose W1. Okay. All right, the size is too big, so let me put the size as well. That is W1 and I'm going to say 0.02. Here it is. Okay, so see, it is here. But what I want it to be at this particular place. So what will I do? I'm going to change the x and y position, that is 288. And the next one which I'm going to do is 265. Okay. Oh, but it is like, going vertically. I want to make it in the diagonal shape. So what will I do? I'm going to use the block which is known as rotation, and I'm going to write here w1 dot rotation, and I'm going to make it 50. Okay, now we'll reset and run. Can you see? It is exactly like this. Okay, now comes the function, correct? Now we'll start off with the things. All right, so now what we will write, I will write here as function draw. Okay, now in the function, what I want, that if the key is pressed up, my water gun should go up, and if it is down, it should go down. So what am I going to do? I'll take the if condition. I'm going to put it like this. If I'll go to world, I'll say key down, okay, and up it is written. Now what I want, it should go up. So how will I write this? I'm going to go here. It has to go up. Up and down means we are going Y position. See, up and down is always Y, vertically. Okay, that means standing line. What will I do? I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it here. Sprite.y. What is the name of my sprite? Obviously, the name of my sprite is water gun, because I want to do what? I want to, see, the spelling is wrong. I want to basically move my water gun. Okay, so this is watergun.y, plus I want it to go up, and if I want it to go up, then what is the next thing which I will do? I am going to put a minus sign, because when it goes up, it goes in the minus direction. So here it is, and same thing, and I'm going to write again, that is water gun. Okay, and I'm going to put maybe 5 here. All right, so let's run and see. See, if I'm pressing the key up, okay, see, my water gun is moving in the up direction. Okay, now same way, if I have to make it move, I want to make this move down, right? What is the next thing which I will do? Again, I'll go to control, I'll take the if block, and same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to go to this one, and I will write key down, and this time it should be in the down direction. And what will I write? Again, I'll go here, and this time it will be plus. Rest all remains the same. So here again, I'm going to write water gun. I'll go to math. I'll take the plus sign. I'll go to sprite again, and put water gun, and this time I'm going to put 5. Okay, so let's see, is it moving? Yes, it is moving up, it is moving down, it's moving up, it's moving down. Perfect, it's working. All right, now once you have written this, that it is going up and down, what is the next thing I want? I want, see, this water drop, no, it should flow. Yeah, see, this should go up and hit the balloons. So what will I do? Again, I'll go to if condition. I will say if, and in the if thing, what will I do? Now I will write if suppose the key is pressed, key down is like, see, you have so many options, so I'm taking space. You can take A, B, C, whatever you like. So when space is pressed, what should happen? The water balloon, the water should move away from what? From the water gun. So obviously what we will do, we are going to go here, and the next thing which I'm going to write over here is, I will write, say, w1 dot x, and then you're going to write this one also x, and which is this is the water gun. Okay, see, if I can show it to you right now, it is like if I press space, see, it is moving like this. Okay, but I want to make it like left also. So what will I do? I'm going to take this one, and sorry, not this one, the y one. Okay, like this. So now I'm going to take w1y, and again I'm going to take this one, and this time I'm going to write water gun y. Okay, let's see this. Okay, now this is what is happening from here. What is the next step which I want? I want that they should go in some velocity direction. Okay, so what will I do? I will say velocity x and velocity y. Now why I want x and y? Because I want my droplet to go in the diagonal position. If you want to go up, please put only y. If you want it to go x, please put only x. So what I want to move, basically w1, the water one, w1, and obviously it is going in the left direction, so that means -2, and it is going in the up direction, so -2 again. Okay, so let's see this. Let's run. See, it has started moving like this. Okay, now these two are going in these particular directions. Now what is the next step which I want? I want that if the water droplet is touching the balloon, right? So I will take, okay, sprite is touching target. Okay, wait, just give me 1 second. Control, I will take this one, if, and what is the next step which I will do? I will write is touching, sprite is touching target. So I will say w1 is touching b1. All right, then what should happen? A new variable should be created. There should be a splash of what color? So I will write c1, and the position for that I'm going to put is 70 and 70, because this is the place I want, and set the animation for it. So I will say c1, and I'm going to select the color. So now see, super. See, there's a splash of color, correct? So now you can put some sound as well. So you can go here and take, say, okay, here it is, play sound. So you can choose any sound of your choice. Okay, So maybe I'll take this one. See. So I hope you can hear the sound. All right. And maybe like in case you are thinking that the speed is very less, so you can say -3, and here also it is -3. You can. All right. Now same thing we have to copy for the balloon number 2. So definitely I'm going to go here and copy and paste here itself. Show blocks. Okay. All right, and instead of B1, what are you going to write? B2. Here also you are going to write, no, here you don't need. And obviously the position will change over here. That will be 250 and 100. So that is 250 and 100. Okay. Okay, so let's see this how I have done. I've created various sprites. Sprite 1, that is your water gun, the balloon, second balloon, and the water droplet. Plus, when the key is up, the water gun is going to go up. When the key is down, the water gun is going to go down. When you press the space, the water droplet is going to move in the diagonal direction, and when the water droplet is going to touch the balloons, balloon 1 and balloon 2, a new splash of colors along with the sound will come, and finally you get a Holi sticker. So let's see how it works. And here it is, here I go. So this is the balloon going forward, and the splash of color. It moves up with the help of the up key, and again pressing the space. Oh, so wish you a very happy Holi. I hope you've liked this. Please put your comments, suggestions and feedback, and do let me know what kind of videos you want to see